Hello and welcome back to the channel. Really glad to have you here. In this video we're going to talk about the amazing healing benefits of emerald. Emerald is my favorite stone and it's a wonderful gemstone that really contains that wonderful soothing energy to it, and basically the vivid shades of green in emerald are very soothing to the eye psychologically, and they really help to induce a restful and calming state as well. Emerald also contains green blends of yellow and blue, which bring that balancing, warming and cool energies as well. So in general, the green gemstones are very important for the heart chakra, thus the soothing energy associated with them. So in terms of the emerald, it is a green variety of beryl, which is associated with the color caused by the mineral chromium and iron. And true emerald contains tiny inclusions and also other flaws as well, but usually you don't find that because in the fully tumbled emerald that's associated with regions such as the Middle East, Pakistan, India, you find rings that are extremely shiny, extremely smooth. But the truth is the raw emerald is contains so many different inclusions and flaws and other colors combined alongside green as well. So emerald grows in different metamorphic layers of rock under pressure, and the size of the gems is usually small, with larger examples being quite rare as well. So it's found in small pieces, not much in larger pieces, and it's usually found in Colombia, which is the producer of the most wonderful emeralds associated with the Aztec Empire, and it's the main producer of the fine stones of emerald. We've also got Zambia, we've got Brazil, they produce top quality emeralds. Zimbabwe, Pakistan and Madagascar also produce emeralds of good quality as well. And historically emerald has been associated with the Aztec Empire, which used emeralds and noticed their healing properties as well, and they carved it into other elements such as fish, flowers, and the color of the stone is particularly sacred to the ancient people of South America. Emeralds were also found in ancient Egypt. Cleopatra had her own mines near the Red Sea. So in terms of the healing properties of emeralds, the energy of emerald is very important to help you to connect with your creative source. So we've talked about other gemstones before, such as citrine, such as tiger's eye, in order helping you to tune in with your creative energy, but emerald helps you to tune in and connect with your creative source as well. And this is mainly because of the green color that links you back to nature. And in healing, emerald is really important to help to balance the heart chakra, to open it up to love. Really helpful for when you are going through periods of grief, periods of trauma, or heartbreak as well. So it's a wonderful gemstone to include in your collection if you are looking into using gemstones as a healing tool, also in combination with essential oils and herbs as well. So we've come towards the end of our video today. If you enjoyed today's content, like, share and subscribe. We would love to have you on board. Thank you so much for supporting the channel, and we'd love to hear from you. Take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.